Rode just dropped this thing. It's the new Røde Wireless Micro camera receiver that you know the Røde Wireless Micro, these things that you have here. I have one microphone on me here, and you have this one, and it's available in white as well, and it basically looks like this. These things just got so much better because from the beginning, when these ones were released, the Røde Wireless Micro, they are tailored for use together with smartphones. So you just take this receiver here, you plug it into the smartphone. They are available in USB-C and in Lightning. And then you put these microphones, I have one here, you put it on the Talent, and then you can record with your smartphone. But with this new accessory that you actually get for free, if you have one of these Røde Wireless Micro, you just need to sign up on their website and they're gonna send you this one for free. And if you buy this one, you get this one for free also. So what you can use this one for is that you suddenly can use this wireless microphone system to basically everything. Because on the side of this one, see here we have a USB-C and we have a 3.5mm. And the 3.5mm, that is used when you're going to plug in your Røde Wireless Micro into your camera. And the USB-C, well, that is if you would like to use this wireless microphone system together with, for example, your computer on your next Zoom meeting, and you would like to up your audio. Next thing we can do, that is to see each other in that video over here, because that is the video that YouTube recommended to watch next. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.